Hurry up with that cleaning, you two. Your mum will be back soon, and you know how she wants everything to be clean. But Dad, why does everything have to be so clean? Is someone important coming around tomorrow? Is it Mr. Short? No, it's November, and it's that special time of the year called Deepavali. We need to clean and decorate the house to celebrate. Of course, the Hindu Festival of Light. I can't wait.
Are you kidding me?
Welcome to 1SK and 1SG and 1JF's class assembly. Today, our assembly is all about a special Hindu festival called Deepavali. We have been learning all about Deepavali in a new IPC project which is called Let's Celebrate. Here are some facts that we've learned about the festival. Did you know that Hinduism is one of the world's oldest religions? Wow! People who follow the religion are called Hindus. Hindu religion began in India many centuries ago. Deepavali is a New Year festival. It takes place each in the autumn. As a New Year festival, it is about new beginnings. Before the festival, the house is cleaned from top to bottom, which is then decorated with brightly colored decorations like glitter and tinsel. Hindus also create beautiful patterns outside their homes called rangoli. These can be made from colored sand, rice, and even flowers and petals. This is to attract the goddess Lakshmi and to welcome her to the house. She is the Hindu goddess of wealth, and people hope she will visit their homes to bless them for the year ahead. Here are some rangoli that we made using bright chalks. Hindus also use small clay lamps called diyas. They put them on their windows, outside their front door. We had lots of fun making our own diyas in class. Here's how we made them. Here are some of the ways that Deepavali is celebrated in Singapore. Do you like the fancy way to represent the light of Deepavali? We are now going to sing a song about these lights. Deepavali, Hindus may also decorate their hands and feet with patterns called mehndi. clothing. These patterns are made with a brown dye called henna. During the festival of Deepavali, food is very important. When people go and visit their family and friends, they take a tray of sweets with them. Did you know one of the most popular sweets is called barfi? Barfi is like sweet fudge made from evaporated milk, coconut, and golden sugar. In class, we learned the story of Rama and Sita, which explains how Deepavali began. We would like to perform this story for you now. Once upon a time, there was a great warrior, Prince Rama, who had a beautiful wife called Sita. One day, Rama and Sita were sent away from their home by the king. Ram and his brother Lakshmana went with them. Living by there was a bad demon, King Ravana. He had 10 heads and 20 arms, and everyone in the world was scared of him. One day, Ravana kidnapped Sita and took her away in his chariot. Never Sita left the trail of her jewelry for Rama to follow. Rama and Lakshmana followed the trail of glittering jewelry until they met the Monkey King, Hanuman. The Monkey King became their friend and agreed to help Sita. Messages were sent to all the monkeys in the world who set out to find Sita.
Okay.
After a very long search, Hanuman found Sita in a prison on the island. The army of monkeys couldn't reach the island, so they began to build a bridge. Soon all the animals of the world, large and small, came to help. When the bridge was built, they rushed across it and fought a mighty battle. When Rama killed the evil Ram with magic arrow, the whole world rejoiced. Rama and Sita were reunited and they began their long journey back to their land. Everybody lit lamps to guide them and welcome them back. Ever since people light lamps at Deepavali to remember that light turns over dark and good turns over evil.
This is the light of my
Yes.